Good morning, guys. We've got or had a pretty quiet night overnight, but I guess over the next 15 hours is where the activity and volatility is going to happen with the Kiwi interest rate announcement, and then at midnight we've got the Canadian interest rate announcement. But in between those two, we've got the US CPI, which is the big one, and everybody's been waiting for that. Stocks, as we know, have their own little thing going on. Decided to get pretty bullish overnight. Nasdaq and US 500 leading the way. As the small caps got a bit of a squeeze on, but and we see interest rates coming off a little bit ahead of the inflation numbers, with the dollar index a little weaker. There it broke through that support level. Dollar yen back to where we were targeting, around that 50 EMA. Pound just turbocharging higher, and euro dollar treading water comparatively. Look at the daily chart, it's closed only a fraction higher than where it opened at, and Aussie dollar just going nowhere. And if we go and have a look at the commodity markets, copper's off a little, oil having a cracking session, wheat's up, so a bit of a mixed bag in the commodity picture. But yeah, Aussie dollar's just floundering in the middle of nowhere in between those ranges we've been monitoring for a couple of months now. So all in all, not much to talk about. A historical price over the last 24 hours, but certainly we've got a lot coming up, and that's the picture that I'm looking at, is that this US dollar is overstretched. And you look at the momentum indicators, they're all at the extremities, and it's when you get a major news event and prices at those extremities that you get a major change in direction, or the momentum indicator gets totally ignored and things get real messy real quick. So I guess the point of the story is just to be aware of the news events, and if you're in those currencies that they're against, so that again, that's the Kiwi, the CAD and the US dollar, just be careful of your risk around those times. So on that, trade accordingly. See you tomorrow.